Okay, this is my fire red bird eater. Just got done shedding. You can see the mold on the right side of it. Would be our right. It seems like it's moving around a lot more. I came home, it's about 20 to 3, Tuesday, December 9th, 2008. This is, this thing is about maybe 1.5 inches across. And he's getting really well, it's growing a lot. You can see it's grabbing its molt now. I'm kind of sitting on it. I'm not sure what to expect, but I wanted to get it on video cam for anyone that's interested. This will get this tarantula will get to be about 8 inches across with the leg span when it becomes an adult. I'm not sure what it's doing to its old molt right now. This eats pinhead crickets. It needs not a lot of moisture. I don't necessarily spray in there unless it's underneath, and I'll squirt a little water across the top when it's in its den. Otherwise, if it's up on top, it doesn't want to be sprayed, so I'll just spray on the inside of the cap and put the cap back down. That's enough humidity for it and moisture. And of course it'll get its moisture from the crickets. That little black dot you see right above the fangs, that's its eyes. And it hasn't darkened right now. This one is usually like maybe a light gray in color, so it's going to take some time to harden. And my orange baboon just shed about 8 hours ago. Came home from work and it was laying on its back, which is a pretty good sign that it's going to molt, because tarantulas, when they die, they usually just fall into a heap, standing on their legs. They don't lay on their back or on their sides to die. So I knew it was going to molt, and sure enough, a couple hours later it was molting. And I didn't have a chance to capture any video of that. So I thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for stopping.